Pasaimia county ya Nyamira insi kiombe kimanya karibu na Nyamira Youth Organization nige kiombe kigia chakiro mu rubiri bwo kubwatarana n'ebyombe aho eri kubwatuka mwegero yengi ichumana go cyase abasaye bari batobwate mirimo ase binyoro aho bya county ya Nyamira bune nchire yemo yo kubasegeta abasaye go tumeka cinchira cekerero eri kwerikia ose kwerika mirimo boka banyene mokonyi bo mokabishira bwe county we sub county ya masabanote asemu ye bunge akitutu masaba Stella Wanyela nere obagakora aho mu rubiri yo ochaki wari tukuri rero asasa bira abasaye banya Weso kiase umubaro monene eri kwerikia asuko bwata chikura bosi babochori obonene bwo mwaka we 2025 na kabiri.
Okay, tuna complain sana hakuna kazi, but we also need to create employment for ourselves so that kama hakuna kazi we find something that we can do at least. So training ya leo, it will equip them with the skills so that they're able to empower themselves and earn money.
Okay, kwa majina anaitwa Josiah Ongera Obuba. Mimi ndio chairperson wa Nyamira Youth Organization. Ni NGO ambayo tulifungua sababu ya kusaidia wenzetu hapa wenye hawana uwezo wa kupata information. So hapa tuko hapa leo hapa katika Kiang'ende Youth Polytechnic ili tuweze kuelimisha youth wenzetu ile kitu ambao wao hawajui kufuatana na mambo ya ICT.
Wanyela, I'm the DCC Masaba North. I have joined the team here for empowering the youth under the Nyamira National Nyamira Youth Organization, which is giving this training to the youth here. I'm also here to encourage the youth that they should be registered voters, and at the same time they should get these ICT skills and make proper use of the internet so that they can earn money and at the same time avoid idling.
Kwa kura na kupigia viongozi ambao watakao wasaidia katika ward yao, katika area yao ya member of parliament, other governor, women rep ambao watatusaidia. Kama Nyamira Youth Organization tumeona ya kwamba kuna vijana wengi hawajajua umuhimu wa internet, jinsi ambavyo inafaa kuitumia ili ya kwamba ikaweze kuwasaidia. Wengi ni musicians, wako na content ambao wanaweza onyesha ulimwengu.
After this training here, we intend to move to Geteni on Monday, and after Geteni then we'll go to Gesima next month.